Hi, I'm Gary with South Point Auto Repair in McKinney, Texas. Today we're going to talk about changing a tire on an 03 BMW 525i. You want to make sure the car is on level ground to start out with and in park. BMWs have a lot of tools for doing your own repairs for changing tires in the trunk. Here's your tool for taking off the lug nuts. And the jack and the spare tire are located in here as well. Now, you want to start off, loosen the lug nuts while the weight is on the car. Now that that's loosened, we want to go ahead and raise the car. There's a spot for this jack. The head of the jack will go up into an area that is made for it to hold it and secure it. Once you get this jack stabilized and in the right location, go ahead and raise the car. You don't have to raise it real high, just high enough to be able to turn the wheel. Now that the wheel's off the ground, we can go ahead and loosen all the rest of the lug nuts. Take them all the way off, and then you can remove your tire. Now that all the lug nuts are off, you can remove the tire. If you're using your spare tire, BMW has a locking washer with a speed screw that'll screw right off. You don't have to take it all the way off because it's a long threaded rod, but just loosen it up enough to get the slotted washer to be able to remove it and take that out, and then you can take your spare tire out. For this purpose, we're going to go ahead and put the same tire back on. So you want to put the washer back on, and you want to snug it back down so that your tire is not bouncing around in your trunk while you're driving. Now once you get your tire back on and you get the lug nuts in them, while it's still up in the air, you want to just snug them down. You don't want to put all the pressure on them while it's still up in the air. You'll do that once the car is lowered down and all the weight's on them. So for right now, we just want to snug them up, and you want to do them in a star pattern so that it goes evenly. Now that they're all snug down, we're going to lower the car back down. And now we want to finish tightening the lug nuts. And then after you get everything tightened, make sure you put all your tools back so you have them for the next time if you have to change your tire. Stay tuned for more videos to come. I'm Gary from South Point Auto Repair, where we give your car excellent care.